Welcome back to Future Drive, the channel where we explore tomorrow's rides today, and in this video we're taking a close look at the all-new 2026 Honda VaRio 125. Honda has taken one of its most popular scooters and refined it even further for 2026, focusing on sharper styling, better efficiency, smarter technology, and the everyday practicality riders love. From the very first glance, the 2026 VaRio 125 feels more aggressive and futuristic. The front fascia now looks sharper with redesigned LED headlights and sleeker daytime running lights that give the scooter a premium, high-tech presence on the road. The body lines are cleaner and more aerodynamic, making it look sportier while also helping improve fuel efficiency. New alloy wheel designs and fresh color options add extra attitude, especially for younger riders who want their scooter to stand out in traffic. Under the body, the 2026 Honda VaRio 125 continues to use Honda's trusted 125cc liquid-cooled engine, but with improved tuning to meet the latest emission standards while maintaining smooth and responsive performance. The engine delivers quick acceleration for city riding, making it perfect for daily commuting, traffic filtering, and short highway runs. Honda's enhanced fuel injection system ensures consistent throttle response and impressive fuel economy, which means fewer fuel stops and lower running costs. The scooter feels light and agile, and its refined CVT transmission provides a smooth, jerk-free ride even in stop-and-go traffic. One of the biggest upgrades for the 2026 model is technology. The fully digital instrument cluster has been updated with a cleaner layout and better visibility, showing speed, fuel level, trip information, and eco-indicators at a glance. Smart key technology is now more refined, allowing keyless ignition, seat access, and added security. Honda has also improved the braking system, with a front disc brake paired with a rear drum and enhanced CBS for better control and confidence, especially for new riders. The suspension setup has been tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and uneven roads, which makes daily rides less tiring. Comfort and practicality remain strong points of the VaRio 125. The seat is well padded and ergonomically shaped, offering a comfortable riding position for both short and long commutes. Under-seat storage is spacious enough to fit a full-face helmet and daily essentials, while front storage pockets make it easy to carry smaller items. The flat footboard design provides extra convenience, especially when carrying bags or groceries. Honda has clearly designed this scooter with real-world usage in mind. In terms of safety, the 2026 Honda VaRio 125 benefits from Honda's build quality and reliability. The frame feels solid, handling is stable at higher speeds, and the scooter remains easy to control in tight urban environments. The LED lighting improves night visibility, while the improved braking system adds peace of mind during sudden stops. Now let's talk about the price. The 2026 Honda VaRio 125 is expected to be priced around $2,400 to $2,600, depending on the market and local taxes. This pricing keeps it competitive in the 125cc scooter segment, offering excellent value for riders who want modern styling, reliable performance, and low maintenance costs. In many regions, this makes the VaRio 125 an ideal choice for students, office commuters, and anyone looking for a stylish yet economical two-wheeler. Overall, the 2026 Honda VaRio 125 is a smart evolution of an already successful scooter. It combines sporty design, dependable performance, modern features, and everyday practicality into one well-balanced package. If you're looking for a scooter that's efficient, stylish, and built to last, the new VaRio 125 definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thanks for watching Future Drive, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more future-ready vehicles.